Hello everyone, myself Kavita Purkar. Welcome you all on behalf of Kikivak Secondary School and Junior College Saraswati Nagar Nasik. Today in this online session we are going to study about advanced JavaScript. Earlier you have studied basic concept related with JavaScript. In this year we are going to study some advanced topic of JavaScript. So let's start. There are variety of scripting languages used to develop dynamic website. JavaScript is interpreted language. Interpreted means it executes its instruction directly without compiling. Program is a set of instructions to produce output. Some examples of scripting languages are JavaScript, ASP, JSP, PHP, Perl, TCL and Python. First, understand the concept of scripting. Scripting language. All scripting languages are programming languages. The scripting language is basically a language where instructions are written for a runtime environment. They do not require the compilation step and are rather interpreted. It brings new functions to applications and glue complex systems together. A scripting language is a programming language designed for integrating and communicating with other programming languages. There are two types of scripting language: server-side scripting and client-side scripting. Let's see one by one. Server-side scripting language. Server-side scripting language can use huge resources of the server. It has a complete all processing in the server and send plain pages to the client. It reduces client-side computation overhead, means all the processing is done at server. Second type is client-side scripting language. Client-side scripting language does not involve server processing. It has a complete application is downloaded to the client browser. Client execute it locally. Are normally used to add functionality to web pages, for example, different menu styles, graphic display, dynamic advertisements. Now let us see the differences between client-side scripting and server-side scripting. Client-side scripting is a technique used in web development that involves using script that runs on the client machine's browser. In contrast, server-side scripting is a technique used in web development that involves using script on the web server to produce a response that is customized for each client's request to the website. Client-side scripting executed in the client side or the web browser. Server-side scripting executed in the backend or the web server. Examples of client-side scripting are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In contrast, examples of server-side scripting are PHP, Python, Java, Ruby and ASP.NET. Client-side scripting does not provide much security for the data, but server-side scripting provides more security for the data. Now let us see the features of JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-based scripting language. It gives the user more control over the browser. JavaScript handles date and time very efficiently. It detecting the user's browser and operating system. JavaScript is a lightweight programming language. JavaScript is a scripting language and it is not Java. JavaScript is interpreted based scripting language. JavaScript is a case-sensitive language. As JavaScript is object-based language, it provides predefined objects. Every statement in JavaScript must be terminated with semicolon. JavaScript control statements syntax is same as syntax of control statements in C language. JavaScript has the ability to create new functions within script. So these are the main features of JavaScript. Thank you for watching. Visit us on Facebook and YouTube.